So let's talk about our inbox. Now, this is where all of your notifications sit. It looks very similar to other apps out there. It is a list of notifications. You can do some cool stuff in there though. One thing you'll notice is that it loads with all of the notifications, which is fine when you've got a smaller account. But as things get bigger, this will get increasingly cluttered with things. And as you engage more, it will get more and more cluttered. So at the top, where it says activity, you can actually filter this down. So you can filter it to show people who have followed you, or show people who are commenting, or just show mentions. You can change the filters to match what you want to do at that point. This makes it super easy to be able to engage with people and see what's happening with your account very quickly. The inbox will also show you who's live right now at the top. And this is awesome to keep in mind, because if you start going live, which you can only do when you hit 1,000 followers, unfortunately, but it's a quick goal to get to. It means that it's an easy way for people to know when you're live and to join in quite quickly. At the top right, you also have the well-known paper aeroplane that takes you to messaging. Now, this is just classic DMs. It looks exactly the same as any direct messaging on any platform. But one thing that is very interesting on this platform is that you can't message anyone who isn't following you and you following them. You have to be a mutual follower to be able to message. Now, it's strange and it's weird, but it helps keep the crazy messaging or bot messaging down completely. And this is why you will see a lot of people directing you to their Snapchat or their WhatsApp or their Instagram instead, so that they can message their followers and they can talk to them that way.